Hello, good morning students. Today's thought, biology always beats willpower, and topic is evolution. This topic extracted from the previous years, but this years we include this topic. So evolution, what is evolution? Evolution is the gradually process. Okay, evolution is a gradually process. By this process, today we observe all complex organisms. We are today observe complex organisms. These all complex organisms develop from the simplest organisms by the gradually process. This is a evolution. Okay, so what is the definition? It is a sequence of gradual irreversible change which took place in the primitive organism over million years ago from new present day species. Okay, so this variation that resulted in the formation of the new species occurred basically due to the error in DNA copy. This variations is come by the occurring in a error in DNA copy as well as due to the sexual reproduction, or in a sexual reproduction also occur this type of variation. Okay, so with the help of the example we discuss the evolution. Okay, so here we take here 12 group of red beetle. Okay, 12 group of the red beetle which sleeps on the green bushes and reproduce sexually. Okay, 12 group of red beetle which sleeps on the green bushes, or they reproduce sexually, means sexual reproduction. They produce their young ones by the sexual reproduction. So are likely develop variation by the sexual reproduction. Some variation is occur in this red beetle. So which type of variation occur in this red beetle? Okay, crow means kawa. Okay, eat these beetle as they can easily pick up red in the green bushes. We know that in a green bushes we easily see the red color. So crow can easily eat these beetles. Okay, there is a color variation due to the after some time you can say there is a color variation during the sexual reproduction. During the sexual reproduction, color variation is occur, and in this color variation green beetle is produced. Okay, so it reproduce and population increase. Now green beetle start to increase their population, so number of the green beetle increases. Okay, now crow are not able to see green beetle, or crow cannot able to see green beetle. Okay, so their population continue grow. So the population of the green beetle continue grow because crow cannot see green beetle in the green bushes, but the red beetle can easily see. So the population of the the population of the red beetle become decreases. So this type of variation give the survival of advantage. So green beetle is the survival of the advantage, but red beetle is a not survival of the advantage. Okay, so this is the example of the evolution. Means green beetle is produced from the red beetle. Green beetle are produced from the red beetle, and green beetle have a capacity to survive in the environment because their body structure look like a bushes like. Therefore the population of the green beetle increases, or red beetle's body is not suitable for hiding their body in the bushes. So therefore crow easily eat the red beetle, and the population of the red beetle day by day decreases. Okay, so this is the example of the evolution. Okay, thank you.